Okay guys, I don't normally work on radios, but this is for a friend of mine. I let him talk me into it. He's a good amp customer. It's for 403 Nevada. But somebody jacked it all up for him. We got it straightened out. Alright, to start with, we'll do it with the amp off. With the amp off, this is that old tight dosage now. Y'all remember the difference in the videos. So you gotta keep in mind it's doing more than what it's showing on this thing. Amp off. Taking a little less than 2. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. So she's swinging about 20 with the amp off. Average power with the amp off. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. She's about 11 average. So it'll drive you 4x24 real good, 403 with the amp off. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Alright. We'll turn the amp on. Of course, you know what's going to happen. The power watt over is going to slam at 20. And it's on. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. She's doing about 50. Our power way up. Worldwide, worldwide, about 50. Our power way down. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. When she come in here, she wouldn't do but 6 with lamp off, and she wouldn't do but barely 100 with lamp on. Worldwide, worldwide. So you got about 60 more watts of lamp on. And you went from doing about 5 or 6 to 20 with amp off. Pretty much that's it. Nothing famous or special. I got it fixed just like mine 2995 that I talk on, that you hear, and everybody else hears just like mine. Worldwide, 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 and we'll talk. Right on frequency. Should go to 40. Good place to run these with lamp on. I like to run about 10 watts. Worldwide, 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 but 10 to 20. You're just gonna run them barefooted. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. As you see, she's all doing like she's supposed to. Worldwide, get on down. Just gonna make you a little video to show you 403 she's working. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch you later.